Hello guys, today I'm going to review and rate the new Samsung Notebook 9. Samsung has started to manufacture good laptops certainly, and this is one of it. Without getting further, let's get into the video. First thing is design. Samsung laptops have a unique design from other laptops. So Samsung Notebook 9 also has a unique design with stylish silvery aluminum chassis. 0.61-inch body makes it one of the most portable laptops in the market. Keyboard in this laptop is a disaster. As a notebook, this laptop doesn't have a great keyboard. The touchpad on this laptop is coated in glass like before and offers a supreme palm rejection in that it not once strict mouse movements while typing. Meanwhile, fingerprint sensor is faster. Second thing is display and audio. Unsurprisingly, Samsung FHD display in this laptop is fantastic, offering excellent colors though its LED panel. Also, display has a 500 nits of brightness, which makes the screen clearly visible in outdoors. Again, audio is also a disaster in this notebook. It sounds tiny and thin like a Chinese brand. Samsung should consider about this laptop's sound quality in their next generation. Third thing is performance. This laptop is rocking with a 8th generation Intel Kaby Lake refresh Core i7 processor and 16 GB of RAM. During our benchmark test, the Notebook 9 proved that it's able to handle just about any computing task you throw at it with the scope of an average user. Also, this laptop has a NVIDIA MX150 GPU which enables laptop to do graphical works little bit faster than the laptops with Intel GPU. With this GPU, new games can be played in medium or low settings with a decent FPS rating. Although it has a good performance in gaming, this laptop performance while editing 4K video is really worst. So I think this laptop is not good one for video editors and YouTubers. Fourth is the battery life. Samsung Notebook 9 has an insane battery life. This has the longest battery life from the laptops I know. This laptop lasted 12 and a half hours with a video playback. This has a massively increased battery capacity from 10 watt hours to 17 watt hours. So nothing wrong about the battery in this laptop. Now final verdict. In spite of the keyboard and the speaker, this laptop has a great performance and a long-lasting battery life. This laptop is good for students, bloggers and mid-range users. Personally, I don't recommend this notebook for students because I think iPad Pro is the best notebook alternative for students. Now I am going to come to most interesting and new part of this video, rating the laptop. According to my rating, this laptop scores 3.5 out of 5 when comparing with other laptops in the market. So that's it all. Comment what I missed in this video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more reviews. Also don't forget to share with your friends. Goodbye. See you guys in another video.